Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiona in the house, and welcome back to the healthier side of things. Now guys, I'm gonna make some Jamaican ginger beer for you, my way, my style. I'm not gonna make a lot. I have 2 pieces of ginger, big pieces, all right guys, and I cut them up in pieces, and we're just gonna add it to the blender right away. No long talking. All right guys, I'm gonna make one thing and then I'm gonna strain it. If you want, you can blend it and then you sweeten it, but this girl I gotta make one thing quick and fast. All right. I'm gonna squeeze half of lemon. You can use lime. You can put the whole one in it guys, but I'm not gonna put the whole one in it because I'm gonna use a teaspoon of vinegar, and I'm using the one with mothers. This one is good for weight loss as well, okay guys? So you know, say ginger is good for your immune system. I'm gonna put 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar there, and this helps to preserve it, all right guys, so you can keep it in the fridge a little bit longer, okay? And I'm gonna use half cup of brown sugar. All right, you can use more or less, all right guys. And I'm gonna use about 3 cups of water. There you go, right measurement. And that's it. We're gonna blend up all of this together. And as I said before, you can blend the ginger, strain it, and then you add the sugar. But this is one thing, all right guys, quick thing, quick and easy Jamaican style ginger beer, all right? Voila, how quick that was guys. All right, I'm gonna get my strainer over here and I'm gonna strain it. Look at the goodness. And you just want to strain everything together. Good for weight loss. This is anti-inflammatory, good for infection, bacteria. All right, look at that guys. Woo! Strong, you know guys. I'm gonna serve up some. All right guys, let's serve up some of this, okay? So first I have my little, you know, funnel or what you call it, and I'm gonna put it there so we don't spill the thing. We want it nice. And look at it guys, can you see it? Okay. You know, I have my fancy cover here guys. Ooh, child, yes sister. Can you see the goodness here? All right, so I'm gonna pour this in. Wish me luck. I'm just gonna add a touch, a little piece of lemon. Oh, this one is lime, sorry. And a little bit of my mint. Make it pretty. Almost done. I know it can't hold all the ice, but I'm just gonna put a little piece, just like that. Woo! This is my Jamaican ginger beer. Good for weight loss, good for detox, good to clean and build your immune system. Packed with lots of antioxidants, lots of health benefits. And you know, ginger guys, where the mint go? Stay this up, brother. And you know guys, ginger is good for inflammation, pain, headache, upset stomach, and all of that. All right guys, yes, try this out. Really refreshing, and you can put this in the fridge and you can drink however and whenever you want. Bless up, one love, and put God first. Bye guys.